Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a healthy soup using barley. Ingredients for this are 1 cup of barley I have washed and kept. Salt according to taste. 1 green chilli slit. 10 to 12 pepper. 4 garlic pods. Half the amount of barley I have taken. Moong dal, half the amount of barley. If you have taken 1 cup of barley, half the cup of moong dal, pasi parpu or hesru bele. 1 carrot, 2 medium size tomatoes I have cut and taken. Required amount of water. First switch on the stove. Take a cooker. In this we will add all the ingredients and boil it. Carrot, green chilies, garlic pod, pepper. Now we will add barley, washed barley. Then washed moong dal. Then cut tomatoes. Required amount of salt. Now for this add 2 to 3 cups of water. You can add 2 to 3 cups, minimum 2 cups, maximum 3 cups. Mix it once and we will cover the lid of the cooker and let it get 3 whistles. I will put the weight and allow it to get 3 whistles. Now cooker is cooled. You can leave 3, 4, 5 whistles also, no problem, because anyway we are going to grind the ingredients. Now it is cooked. We will allow it to cool. We will take it in a plate and allow it to cool. Once it is cool, we will grind and prepare the soup. Now the mixture is cold. We will take it in a mixie jar to grind it. We will transfer this in the mixie jar. Now I have grinded all the ingredients thoroughly. Now you can prepare soup as it is, but it is better if you strain it, because soup will be very smooth. So I am going to strain this through a strainer. Now I have strained the first batch of soup. So you repeat the same with all the mixture of the soup. You can add little amount of water for the flowing consistency. So you continue with all the mixture. Same procedure. Now I have drained all the soup. I have strained all the mixture of the soup. Now we are going to add required amount of water. You add according to your required required consistency. We will mix it thoroughly. Add some more water. Little more. Now we are going to boil it for a few seconds. Now switch on the stove. Keep the soup mixture on the flame and add required amount of salt. We have added already while boiling, so add carefully. Let it get boiled. Now it has started boiling. No need to boil more. Beginning of the when it start beginning boiling, you just switch off the stove. Now this is done. Now soup is ready to serve. I am garnishing with little amount of cream and required amount of pepper. The healthy soup is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.